Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a fun antonym words quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. The task was simple. What is the antonym of the word simple? The correct option is C. Complex. Question 2. He gave a generous donation. The correct option is B. Selfish. Question 3. The room was empty. The correct option is A. Full. Question 4. She arrived early. The correct option is A. Late. Question 5. The explanation was detailed. The correct option is D. Brief. Question 6. He spoke in a soft voice. The correct option is C. Loud. Question 7. The answer is correct. The correct option is B. Incorrect. Question 8. The road was narrow. The correct option is C. Wide. Question 9. She felt relaxed after the exam. The correct option is D. Tense. Question 10. The movie was exciting. The correct option is A. Dull. Question 11. He is a careful driver. The correct option is B. Careless. Question 12. The solution was effective. That's right. The correct option is C. Ineffective. Question 13. The instructions were specific, so everyone understood them. The correct option is A. General. Question 14. She remained calm during the argument. The correct option is C. Agitated. Question 15. The village is remote from the city. The correct option is D. Accessible. Question 16. His response was polite despite the criticism. The correct option is A. Rude. Question 17. The information provided was reliable. The correct option is C. Unreliable. Question 18. She felt optimistic about the results. The correct option is B. Pessimistic. Question 19. The student was attentive throughout the lesson. The correct option is A. Distracted. Question 20. The company made a profit this year. The correct option is D. Loss. Question 21. He gave a logical explanation. The correct option is C. Irrational. Question 22. The weather remained stable all week. The correct option is B. Unstable. Question 23. She was reluctant to speak in public. The correct option is D. Eager. Question 24. The rules were strictly enforced. The correct option is C. Leniently. Question 25. His tone sounded sincere during the apology. The correct option is A. Insincere. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new and I'll see you next time. Bye.